Yo, vatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again. We're going to be looking at the 2022 models that have been released. They're already at showroom floors, so if you're out there and you're wondering, can you pick up one of these bikes? You absolutely can. Like I said, they're out there in the dealerships now. I believe they got them in on Monday. I saw a few dealers already have them in. My local dealer, two of my local dealers, they already have these models in, of course. Like I said, they got them on Monday, so now we're finally seeing what's released, and we could obviously see the new paints, the new prices, the price increases, and yeah, it means pretty much what I predicted. I thought we were going to see maybe a bigger displacement when it comes to the CCs, but it looks like that pretty much stayed the same. So everything else has been announced, so let's just take a look at some of these models, and let's go ahead and start out with the Sportster S. Now we have this mineral green metallic. Nothing other than that has changed. I'm pretty sure it still has the 1250. The price is actually still the same. Surprisingly, they haven't increased the price on that, but everything else got a price increase. And now we're moving into the Sportsters. Of course, like I said, this was already announced. I posted that it was coming back. So, and then we move on to the new standard. Pretty much the same bike, of course, but the price increase, and that's mainly because of the mag wheels. This is a popular wheel, I believe, with a lot of us in the Harley community. This is I think this is one of those common wheels that we put on the Street Bob and a lot of these other bikes. Anyways, it's a good deal. If you take into account that these wheels, they'll run you about $650 or $670. I believe you're only paying about maybe $350 for the wheels once you include it with the bike, which is, I mean, it's a good deal. And like I said, they were going to be doing something to kind of raise the prices and give you something in return. So I believe with the price increase of $350, now you're getting mag wheels. But you know what? I am a fan of the spoked, excuse me. You know what? I have been a huge fan of the spoked wheels. It's something that I've been, I don't know. It just fits the overall look of the bike, especially of the Street Bob. As we know, it's been around since the Dyna days, the spoked wheels on the Street Bob. So I don't know. I mean, you guys leave your messages or leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys okay with having mag wheels on these bikes? Like I said, I've always been okay with it, but I mean, I'm a fan of the mag wheels, but I don't know. It's just a different look to it. And like I said, I mean, it's a good change. All right. I mean, I'm for it. It's a bigger wheel. It looks nice. It's still blacked out. And of course you get it on the standard. That's what, chrome. So, I mean, there's options there. If you like that chrome look, then here it is, 107. And if you like the blacked out look with the 114, then here you go. I believe this is still 114. Yeah, Street Bob 114. And they added this fastback blue. This is the new color for 2022, and we also have this red line red, which also looks pretty nice. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good looking bike. I really like this red. Yeah, I mean, this is a beautiful looking red. I am a fan, and these wheels look real nice too as well. So it's a good looking bike, and like I said, man, this thing feels amazing. It feels great, and I think I like this new look to it. I am a fan of the wheels. Like I said, it's a popular wheel with the community. So let's go ahead and go back over here to the main page and keep on looking at what Harley went ahead and changed. And like I said, they increased the prices. Of course, look at the Fat Bob, now almost over $19,000. Yeah, I guess they have a new color, white sand pearl. I don't think that's what was the other one, pearl or white pearl. You know what? I'm not too sure. I think this is a new color for the Softails. I don't think I've seen this color. Or maybe I've seen it on the Slim. You know what? I can't remember right now. But yeah, that's a new color. And it's got a new tank badging, of course. I don't know about the tank badging. I'm not a huge fan of the new tank badging. Let's see. What else? You know what? It looks a little plain to me. I don't know. You guys leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know you guys like this tank badging. I mean, it looks a little plain. And that highlighted orange right in between H and D. You know what? I don't really like it, but you know what? The color looks good. I'm digging the sand pearl with the bronze exhaust pipes. right here. So I mean, it looks all right. It looks good. Did they change the wheels? No, they did not. So that's pretty much the same bike, but like always, a new color with price increases, and this is pretty much what Harley does all the time. Going back to the main page, we have the Fat Boy, and that got a notable change. They got a new tank badge, and it looks like they updated the wheels. The wheels for a long time have always been solid, and they just cut out these little sections right here of the wheel, and I believe they did that with the 2021s, the standard touring models, the baggers. That's what's that wheel called? I can't remember off the top of my head, but this is what they did. They went ahead and they cut out the spokes on the baggers for 2021, and it looks like that's what they did for the Fat Boy in 2022. So I mean, is there anything else to note? Looks like they added the fast. Was this on the reef blue? I don't remember them having reef blue on the 2021s. And like I said, it looks like they updated the tank badging. As far as the tank badging, I prefer having the decals, but you know what? That's just me. That's my preference. So it looks pretty good. All chromed out. Like I said, they updated the wheels. Looks good. It still has that iconic look of the Fat Bob. Going back over, the Heritage got a big update, I believe, as well. It looks like, oh wait a minute, they're offering a few different. Okay, so they're offering the black finish and the chrome one. So I guess they added that, and of course you get that classic Heritage look with the spoked wheels, and you also get it with the cast wheels, the mag aluminum wheels. And they have that sand pearl as well. So I don't know, you guys leave your comments down below. You guys would rather prefer it chromed out or blacked out? I wonder how much of a difference it actually is. Let's just click into it real quick. So looking at the price, wow, I mean that's a big jump. It's $1,625 for that blacked out look, but it looks killer. I mean, it's got that, I mean, it flows. It looks good, especially with the blacked out windshield, with the painted windshield. It looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. I like the updated wheels. You know what? I think I prefer this look over the lace wheels or the spoked wheels. Yeah, you know what? I am digging the new look. I just wonder why they didn't paint the spoilers or these little trims on the fenders black too as well. I just don't know why they didn't do that. But yeah, I mean it's a $1,625 increase compared to the laced or spoked wheels. I don't know, you guys, like I said, leave your comments down below. Let me know which one's your favorite so far. Of course, the Lowrider S is not on here. That's being saved for the 26th later this month. Moving on down to the baggers, and as we can see, we're seeing some white sand pearl on the touring models, and this is where I was mentioning about having that cutout on the wheels as well, which is right here. And I believe this is a new is this a new wheel? I'm not too sure. And here we have the Prodigy wheels. Like I said, I'm a fan of these wheels, and yeah, I mean, it's just more colors. You have reef blue, that's a new color, and we have this red line red. That's a beautiful color, especially on the street bob. It looks really good. And we also have the same thing, specials, 107s, 114s. Here, let me just click on this just to kind of make sure it still has, yeah, it's still the 107. And as you can see, we have this midnight crimson red now. I have never been a fan of this color, so yeah, the sand pearl looks good. I like the way it looks. Here we go, pricing, standard, and where's RDRS? Oh, here it is. Okay, so I guess it's not standard. That's still optional, and the price went up. The price went up on RDRS. Anyways, looks good. I don't get what this surcharge is now. This right here. This is what I noticed. Let me move this up. This is what I noticed. I think within the last couple months during the inflation. Why is Harley-Davidson including a surcharge on the manufacturer? This wasn't a problem, or this wasn't announced, or this wasn't posted up until I believe I started making my videos. So I don't know if Harley responded with my videos, because I was making a big fuss about the surcharge, or the dealer prep fee, the dealer fees, and it looks like they went ahead and they included now in the MSRP. But I don't know if it's on the soft tails. So far, this is where I noticed it on the touring models. But there's the Enforcer wheel. I'm a fan of this wheel. This wheel looks great. It looks amazing, the Enforcer wheel. And for a regular touring model that's, you know, non-special, I believe this is a very good deal, and it's a good looking bike. 107, has good torque. All right, going back to the main page now, and as we can see, that Gunship Gray is on a few models. There's the Gunship Gray. This is the one that was announced. I believe the Lowrider S is going to get this color. I'm pretty sure. I'm almost 100% certain that the Lowrider S is going to get this Gunship Gray. So here it is on the Road Glide Special. That used to be on the CVOs. Remember, it was a good looking color. And here's another one of the Road Glide Limited, another Gunship Gray, and here it is on the Street Glide Special. So that seems to be, I guess, the new special color, because last year they had that Venom, and I believe that bronze. What, is it still here? No, it looks like that bronze is gone. The armored bronze, or maybe that was just the CVOs. But yeah, the green is back. I think this is a different shade of green from last year, and of course that midnight crimson red. Like I said, I'm not a fan, but yes, I mean, this is something that we predicted last year, or before the announcement, the Gunship Gray, and there it is. And of course the fastback blue. Moving on to the Pan America, and there it is. Pan America also has the fastback blue. I think I like the orange a little bit more. I don't know. I mean, this is a good looking bike. Yeah, I don't know. You know what? I've never been a fan of blue. I don't know. I think I prefer the orange one. You guys go ahead and, like I said, leave your comments down below. Let me know which one's your favorite bike out of all of these. And 19,900. I believe this was a couple $100 cheaper last year. So maybe it has to do with the color. No, I guess not. And it looks like the laced wheels will cost you an extra $1,224. Wow. Let's move back. I mean, I do like that look. This is also a good looking bike, of course, but I think I like the orange over the blue. I don't know. I mean, you guys go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. You guys excited? I mean, I guess we kind of saw this coming, and I think we all kind of predicted it was going to be colors and yeah, pretty much colors and price increase, and that's what we said. And that's pretty much it. I mean, nothing else has changed. These are pretty much the same bikes, other than, you know, the tank badging on some of these models. The tank badging is new. I think Night King got this tank badging on his 2020 Road King Special. Yeah, I believe this is the same tank badging that Night King has. So I guess technically with the tank badging, he now has a 2022. So like I said, I mean, these bikes don't change much, all right? So, I mean, they're pretty much the same bike with just a couple of different color options. And, oh, okay, this is a denim. This is a denim, green denim. All right, so that's the, I don't know. You guys go ahead and leave your comments down below. Like I said, this was going to be, who knows, maybe we just have to wait for the event on the 26th. There might be, I mean, I guess they gotta have something big. I mean, they can't just give us this and then give us just the Lowrider S. There has to be something else. So we might get that 975 iron that I was talking about. And you know what? I kind of dig the blue on this Street Pop. This is the fastback blue. This is the new color. Like I said, we saw this color on the Bronx. I'd say maybe 3 years ago. So it's in my videos. But yeah, I mean, like I said, this is a $650 wheel, and now you're getting it for what did I say? $350. So oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and look into the pricing. Will it have that? Yeah, it does. Wow, it has that surcharge now. So yeah, maybe me calling them out finally had them put this in. Like I said, I used to make these videos, and they would never have the surcharge in the on their website. So after, I think I made like 3 or 4 different videos on the surcharge, on the dealer fee. Now they have it in there. So I don't know. You guys just, stay on your toes. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys go ahead and leave your comments. Let me know what you guys think about the surcharge. Is this a way for them to combat the price increases? So I mean, once you factor that in, you're looking at 600. Wow, you know what? That makes a huge difference. Once you factor in that $600 surcharge, I'll probably make a whole different video. But once you factor in the $600 surcharge, you're now getting those wheels for, $300 above what they're worth. But like I said, we're expecting a 20% increase on inflation. I don't know. I mean, I guess it might be a positive. Like I said, last year we only saw a couple $100 increase. So I guess, this is pretty much the same. So, you know what? I'll make a whole separate video. Thanks again for tuning in. There's your Street Bob with the cast mag wheels. Looks good. Like I said. Anyways, outro. What is this? My 3rd one. You guys just stay out there. Stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.